Hey guys, what's up? I got a Dodge Charger right here. I'm gonna change the window regulator. This is the new one right here. The part number should be right there. So I'm gonna change this, alright? For the back door, it's gonna be the right door I'm working on, but it's the same for the left door, right? So I'm gonna change that. So we're gonna need to get this part out right here and get a flathead screwdriver or something to get in there, and also this part down here, flathead screwdriver or a pick, alright? Alright, so you just want to put the pick in the corner right here, as you can see. Get it underneath it, and it will come out like that. Exposing the Phillips screw down here. Get the pick in the corner also. And give you access to that Phillips screw over there also, right? The screw right here. So yeah, you gotta get your finger somewhere underneath here and pull on it, and it will come loose like this. Then you wanna lift up. This part, before you take it out, you gotta squeeze this in right here, right there, and squeeze this right here, take that out. Squeeze this right here, take that out. Squeeze this right here to take that out. Alright, so guys, we're gonna need to take off everything that's touching this right here. So we're gonna need to take off the motor right here and unplug the wires. Unplug all the wires that goes in here. One going here also. Gotta unplug that. On here. So you gotta chase that wire down and unplug it. So you gotta squeeze the clip at the top. Unplug that and take off everything that's touching this. Alright? Yeah, in the process, you want to take out these 10mm. So you want to take out these 10mm and unplug the wires. So this, you want to pull this clip back like that, and then you get where you can squeeze and pull it back. Squeeze right here. Okay, so this normally lock like this, so you just want to pull it out this way and squeeze right here and unplug it. Get it unhooked from there. You can get it hooked from here like that. Get this unhooked from here. Because we're gonna take out the whole this piece right here. So we can get that out from there. We need to untape this right here. So untape it. Get this off. Get the other side off right here. And we need to take out this right here. We don't need to unplug it, but we need to take it off. All right, so remember, we need to get everything off this piece right here. So you get all your 10mm. Got all my 10mm right there. All right, so now it's time to get the torques. So we're going to remove these torque, and it's going to be T25 for this one right here. No, T20. It's going to be a T20 torque for this one right here. And this one right here also. This is the window guide. You hear it fall down inside. That's okay, you can get it. But I will get it later because I have to take this off anyway, so I will get that. And you want to get these torques off too, and that's gonna be a T25. All right. I'm gonna take off the motor. So after you take out all the screw from the motor, you just want to hold it and pull it back towards you. Alright, the motor is good. The window regulator I got didn't come with any motor, so we're gonna need that. And these up here is T25 also. These two, we're gonna take them out. So that removes, take this out. So the only thing left is that around there. These you gotta unlock them. So like that. Just doing it to make it more easier. Even though we got some on the new one. Alright, so now as you can see, have more space to work with. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna need to remove the regulator from the glass. As you can see, the glass go up and down easy now. So we need to get the regulator from the glass, and I'm going to show you how you do that. All right. Glass down so it don't drop. So yeah, I was trying to avoid getting it dropped, but it dropped. So up in there, that's where the plug is to unplug that. Squeeze right here and pull back on it. Take this out right here. Get a flathead screwdriver or a clip puller to help. Your hand might not be as strong as mine. Alright, you can take this off completely now. Don't worry, I'm going to show you what I'm doing after I finish. Alright, so just imagine the glass, this is still on the door, the glass is still locked into here. As you can see, this hook right here, get it to focus, this hook right here is what holds the glass in. So what I do is I put my hand through here and I come here and I pull this back off the glass like this, and then I push down on this, pull the glass up. Alright, and that will help you to get it free. So after you take that out now, you're gonna have this part to deal with. This is gonna lock into the back of gonna lock into the back right here, and this is gonna lock right here. So you're gonna need to take it over this groove right here, which you're gonna need a screwdriver or a clip puller. So I come like this and I pull it back like that. Alright, come like this, pull it back like that, and pull the door forward. Alright, so the next step is to get your glass up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure you run it back in the grooves and bring it up. Alright, and get some tape handy to tape it up. So that should hold it at the top. You don't want your glass going down, it might break. Alright, but it's best to do this before you do anything else. Alright, when you're taking off the glass from the regulator, you need to do this so your glass don't drop down. Alright, so I'm gonna need to get this in right here. I do that, I need to get these out the door because this new one come with them already. So flathead screwdriver or a clip puller, alright? So it's easier to just twist them out from this one, alright, than pull them out the door. So don't follow me now. It's easy to twist it out. So that lock into place now. What you want to do is get your 10mm, catch them, and it's gonna help hold the just catch them in, don't tighten it up until you have everything put together, then you tighten them up. All right. And I hope you did remember to take out the thing that fell in the door. If yours fell while taking it out, this is the piece I was talking about. Alright, so I have my 10mm in. Now it's time to run all your wires the same way you take them off, the same way you put them back on. All right, and you want to salvage this thing for any part that don't come with a new one. All right, double check it, make sure nothing come with it. So this is what I do so far. I put this back right here, run the wires like that, run that like that, run that like that, run that like that. Put this back right here, run this right here, plug that in here. Alright. And what I'm gonna do now is this piece, I'm gonna put it in. Alright, so it should set like this when it's installed. Alright, so now it's time to put on the motor. Like that, and you want to catch your screws and tighten them up. All right, so what I'm gonna do is tighten everything. I'm gonna tighten everything right there. All right. Alright guys, so just get some tape this back so you got it. Make sure you put back these things right here, lock them into place, and I'm gonna let the window down into the lock so it can lock. Alright, and you're gonna push it until you hear it clip, and then you're gonna know it locked. All right. When you hear it locked, you can try to pull up on it. Alright, so that's good. So that's good. It's locked into place. You can put your hand around there and double check that it's locked. Alright. And you lock this, and time to put on your door panel. Oh, and tighten this up. Well, I tightened everything up already. Just left this, alright? Now it's time for me to tighten that up. Alright, so let's do this. That's that, guy. Everything is all good. Now it's time to test the window. Alright guys, so everything back in place, everything worked good. Thank you guys for your love and support. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you, alright? Peace out. See you next time.